I wanted to bring you a message today. A message about struggle. A message of true quarantine. I'm bored. Nah, let's just make a quarantine build. What's up, guys? It's been a long time since I last updated you guys, posted a video, or done anything on this channel. Reality is that I originally was gonna make that channel about vlogs and stuff like that, but then I kind of made a second YouTube channel about my mountain bike, and that's kind of its own separate thing. And I just decided to focus back on this channel for a bit, since we're in quarantine and there's a lot of stuff going on. So I decided to buy myself PC parts and make a PC. So I'll leave the parts down in the link in the description under. If you want to get to know what parts I use and what I did, I'll leave that link down there. And for now, well, let's just build this PC. Alright, well, that took about like 2 hours, I think, and it wasn't that hard. I didn't film most of the process because, like I said, I'm not an expert on PC building. This is my first build, so I mean, if you really want to see like how to make one, just go watch somebody else who knows what they're doing. But yeah, let me just give you like a quick rundown. It really wasn't that hard to put all the pieces here together. It was pretty easy. I heard people saying that it took them like 3-4 hours, a whole day. Honestly, if you get these components, they're pretty straightforward. They're really not that hard to put in. Here, let me show you. So that's how it looks like. We put in the CPU with a stock fan, the 2 sticks of RAM in the motherboard, and just plugged in the GPU in here, and also the NVMe SSD, and that's pretty much it. The hardest part about doing all this was actually lining up the motherboard with the screws. I had to take off the plastic I/O shield, so I'll get points off for that, right? And it's right here. I'll probably put that on later or something. But I don't know. I put this on before I put the motherboard in, and for some reason, the motherboard didn't want to like align with the screws. But at the end, we just decided to. This screw right there, and then another screw right there, and then the other one on the bottom, and then but yeah, at the end of the day, we're taking up too much time. We said, forget it, we'll just take off the I/O shield and just put it there, put the motherboard in, and yeah, so far that's the build. I'm waiting though for the power supply unit. Comes tomorrow, and that should pretty much it, and I'll show you how it looks like tomorrow. And I'm back. I know it's been a little over a week, maybe close to 2 weeks, and since I last did the update and I showed you, the power supply came in, a bunch of stuff came in, and I built it, turned it on, played games on it, video edited, and I'm actually editing. I'll show you right now. I bought a new cooler. It looks nice, you know, works well. Really cool computer. Excellent on everything that it does, you know, and so does video editing on this thing. Let me show you.
Saying that
Yeah,
it took
see,
them like 3-4 hours, a whole day.
pretty good, pretty good. It's, you know, 4K video. I set it to a half resolution, but I mean it plays well on full res. See. But yeah, you know, it's pretty good. Sometimes it gets a little stuck when you scrub it really fast. But I mean, that's not that bad. But it's really good. Video edits really good, and it plays video games really good. So can't be happier, guys. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.